Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we started a job in the beautiful city of Mission, Texas. Our crew is diligently working on this job because we have to finish it by the weekend and so we can start a new project on Monday. We've already done quite a bit. They removed first the drip edge, then the 1x2 that seals between the soffit and the brick, and the 1x2 under the drip edge. And then as we go, we're removing the fascia and soffit to replace it with a JamesHardie board. We're using a vented soffit Hardie board that comes pre-cut. The only thing we have to do is cut them to the measurement, to the angles. So we're installing it with siding nails. Then we're going to come back and put an acrylic paint finish on it. So we're waiting for the paint. We're using a Sherwin-Williams coat that the homeowner wanted. It did take a little bit to get here, so we should have it tomorrow. And we would have liked to paint these before we install them, but it's all right. I mean, we have a sprayer, airless sprayer that we use, and we'll be able to paint everything after we get done. The house definitely changed its appearance, its curb appeal, so you'll appreciate it once we get done. We were talking to the homeowner about the hidden damages when we gave them the estimate for replacing. They wanted certain spots replaced, and after taking a close look at the fascia and soffit, our inspection found that there was a lot of damage underneath the 1x2s and underneath the paint on the existing wood. So we recommended they do a full replacement of the soffit and fascia, which they agreed to. So now that they see the new Hardie board up, even before it's painted, they can tell the difference, right? So they're very happy with the progress, and so are we. So hopefully we'll be able to finish and move on to the next project, but we'll bring you more videos once we get done and we're closer to painting, and then after we paint. We'll see you folks.